was.
You got the one on the left. Alright guys, we're obviously turkeys, longbeards. Look like two of them. So we pulled up here on the, like right at the property where we were going to. So we've pulled up here, we're kind of letting them do their thing right now and figure out if they want to come back across. More than likely they're going to want to go across the road, but we still got plenty of daylight left. So we're going to try to jut up this hill, get around them a little bit and yelp. 2 times by themselves, they should be fired up. They should play ball with us. So we're going to get up here and make a sprint and try to start calling as quick as possible. Alright guys, we're over here getting set up. As soon as I get my mask situated, I'm going to try to call. We just sprinted up this hill, but it looks like this is where the turkeys just came from. A bunch of turkey sign on this road. This is the first time that we've been at this spot, so we didn't know that we didn't know those turkeys were here. So let's call, see if we can get them fired up. There they go. Huh? I think so. Guys, both of them just answered us back. There's a hen. Alright guys, these turkeys have done a 180. And they are gaining ground. 2 of them. Last time they gobbled, they were probably 150, 200 yards away. And they were probably 300 to 400. With them gaining ground that fast, they're liable to pop their head up here about any second. I just heard one drum. Hear him? Right there they are to your left. See them coming. See his head. Hold on. You got the one on the left. Shoot him, Dad. Shoot him. What?
shoot. There's a tree there.
I don't know how we pulled that off. I was trying to get you, they were directly in line.
They was in a dead opening.
Dude.
All I could see was the truck in the background.
Dude, you should have shot him.
That's the only opening I had. But when you called, he stopped dead behind a big pine tree.
We used that call.
Yeah. They were walking. I was going to get him stopped. When you called, he stopped, but he was right there behind a big pine tree.
Let's go, guys. That's what I'm talking about. Turkey down. That's freaking awesome. Gotta love it, man. Gotta love it. Oh, well, guys, hope I get down here where you guys can see me. What a daggum hunt. These turkeys absolutely read the script, and I 100% thought I was going to lose my mind. These turkeys, when we pulled in, there was actually 2 gobblers standing on the road on the entrance to the property we were hunting. And we got out, ran up the hill real quick, and Dad was sitting to my left, I was sitting to the right. I called one time, and as soon as I called, they cut me off. But for whatever reason, these daggum turkeys just took off the opposite direction. Well, it wasn't too much longer after that. I'd kind of given up on them, and Dad broke out his call, started calling a little bit, and these son of a guns started gaining ground, gobbling, and it was at one point when they gained, I don't know, what was it, Dad? Maybe they gained probably 150 yards, and they both gobbled and cut you off, and we both were like, oh yeah, they're coming. So I started trying to get all my stuff back together and everything. It was absolutely crazy. They come in, our plan was I was going to shoot the bird on the right, Dad was going to shoot the bird on the left, and of course they did not come in exactly where we needed them to come into. They came in slightly to our left over there, and I'm actually swinging to the left, and I had went as far to the left as I could possibly go without my gun barrel pretty much tickling my dad's ear, and there was just no way that I could get a shot. Well, these turkeys actually went on to the left, and I was able to turn completely around and lay my gun in in between this little cluster of trees that we got, and they both just come walking up. This was the closest bird to us. Told Dad I was on him. He said if I was on him, pull the trigger, and it didn't take a whole lot of bending my arm before I let one rip. But not a huge bird, guys, a solid 2-year-old. But man, what just a beautiful, beautiful bird, and an awesome way to start off this turkey season, man. Just a beautiful way to do it. They come in strutting. Footage was phenomenal, except for there at the end when things got a little bit crazy. But guys, what an awesome, awesome hunt. I want to thank y'all for taking the time to hang out with me on my channel. It means the world to me that you'll take the time out of your day to watch what I got going on. Be sure to hit that subscribe button for me. I am trying to grow this channel to 100,000 subscribers. That's been a goal of mine for a long time. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. Make sure to hit the notification bell as well. That way, anytime I post a video, you guys get a notification. You can check out what I got going on. So with that being said, we got a lot of turkey hunting adventures coming up. Stay tuned to the channel. It's gonna be fun, guys. Thanks for hanging out with me. See y'all next time.